Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great day today. I'm a little under the weather today, but I know I needed to come back and show you guys some more results for Impact Mailing Club, just to keep you in tune, to let you know that this program works, and it's a great opportunity. Before we get started though, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys, real quick, I'm going to show you some more results we had. Last week was a busy week. We had the promotion going. It ended Friday, but some great news. I was just informed that they've extended it to the 15th. Okay, so for those of you that didn't get started, now's your chance. It's been extended to the 15th, guys. Okay, so you definitely want to join this program. I had several people that joined, and today I've got 4 more packages that came from folks that actually went to the post office Friday and sent their packages off, because it was supposed to end on Friday. So this is overflow, not to mention the ones I received electronically. I received some Venmo payments. I had a husband and wife team to join. It was just a super exciting week. It was busy, but it was exciting, okay? So the first thing I want to do is congratulate everybody that got started. And I'm kind of going to shout out some names here, okay? I've got several people that joined, okay? So let me just real quick. Quanda, okay, from Fort Worth, Texas. Rashmi from New York. Sheila from Michigan. Let me see. I got a list, guys, so bear with me. My electronic payments, I received a few of those. Andre, Alexandra came in at the Sapphire. She was upgraded, the free upgrade to the Diamond. She signed her husband up, and he did the same thing. Way to go, Alexandra. So they are a couple that's doing this business, guys. So if you're out there looking for a way to make some money from home, simple business, no internet marketing is required, okay? So I commend them on that and congratulate them. I had Trish, which is right here. I've got Trish that's from, hold on. Trish is from New York. I've got Angela from Atlanta. Shalon from Memphis. And Stacy from Atlanta. Who else do we have? And someone else I'm missing. Can't remember the name. But it was a busy week, a great week. So I'm super excited for everybody. Some leads have already been mailed out because I matched the leads that the company give you. For everybody else, of course, I just got these in. All leads will be mailed out this week, no later than Friday, okay? So we'll get those done, because that's what I do. I match the amount of leads that you get. Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail company that sells leads, names and addresses of people that have actually asked to receive information about home-based businesses. Okay, and that's what we have here. So I'm an actual lead affiliate. I sell leads. Okay, when I sell lead packages, I in turn receive a commission. The people that join me also have to send me my commission, and they send me stamps. Okay, that's how that works. You receive your commission directly from the person that joined you. You don't have to wait on a check from the company. It comes directly from the people that join you. That's what I like about it. And you can receive payments Monday through Saturday, because that's when the mail runs, okay? Awesome opportunity. I'm excited about it. Again, don't forget, you can still join, get started, get this free upgrade. I have a link below, okay, because I already had a pre-recorded video with all the details on the promotion. The only difference is the time has been extended, the date to the 15th, okay? So get started with it. I mean, I got tons of stamps, guys. I've got stamps everywhere, okay? You definitely want to get in this program. All right, so without further ado, I don't want to keep you guys because, like I said, I'm a little under the weather, but I was excited, and I wanted to just share that with you guys because I know everybody that joined is excited, and they've been calling me and talking to me. And I recommend, too, guys, you don't have to do this, but you can promote this on social media, any social media platform, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, any of those platforms. You don't have to. I'm just saying you can. Okay? All right. So let's do this real quick. And by the way, when you do join, this is Angela. When you do join me, you're going to get a custom cover letter. Okay? So that you can put your picture on the cover letter with your name and phone number. You're going to also get, as I mentioned, I'm going to match the amount of leads that the company send you. I have custom envelopes, a resource you can use for custom envelopes, and everything that you're going to need to get started. Okay? So Angela, let's see what we got from Angela. Angela came in at the Ruby, yes, the Ruby level. Okay, it says right here, Ruby. Okay, so when she comes in at the Ruby, I actually get $150 and 2 books of stamps, and my sponsor gets $50. Okay, that's how that works. Okay, and she's going to get 200 leads with her package. That's what she purchased, 200 leads, and now she can resell that same package. She can resell that package, but she was upgraded for free to the Sapphire level because she came in at the Ruby. So now she can start receiving $300 commissions. So welcome, Angela. Okay. All right. So that means I get $150. Okay. That's what she sent. 350s. See that? And 2 books of stamps. Thanks, Angela. And we'll put that over here. All right, and we'll go to the next one. We got Stacy from Atlanta. By the way, Angela joined me in Newbies on Fire, which is one of my online businesses. But she was my second sale. So the sale got passed up, and she was saying, hey, I thought I was going to join you, but that sale got passed up. Because with Newbies on Fire, the second and fourth sale is passed up. So she decided, hey, well, I want to join you in something, and she joined me in this program. So welcome aboard. Stacy is from Atlanta. I've seen Stacy's name on a few different things that she's opted into. So let's see what Stacy has. Okay. She didn't state which one she joined at. Well, that's 2 books of stamps. Looks like some aluminum foil here. Let's see what she got going on. Put it in aluminum foil. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 300. Okay. Welcome aboard, Stacy. Okay, so that means she came at the Sapphire level because I received $300. I know what that means, and 2 books of stamps. So she came in at the Sapphire. She got upgraded for free to the Diamond level. So now she can make those. She can receive those commissions. Is that nice, guys? This promotion is awesome. So I'm telling you, take advantage of this promotion. Okay. So welcome aboard, Stacy. Everyone, I'll be sending you a welcome email, and as stated, I'm going to match the amount of leads that the company sends you, okay? So I'll be sending all the leads out, again, no later than Friday, okay? So we've got Stacy, okay? Get Stacy in, okay? All right. We've got Shalon from Memphis, Tennessee. See that? Shalon. Welcome aboard, Shalon. if I'm pronouncing that correctly. All right. Let's see what we got in this one. If people are buying the leads, guys, they're getting the leads, but they're also becoming a lead affiliate. So they can resell leads now, okay? Basically a lead broker, okay? So, another sapphire, that's another 300. Right here it says sapphire. So this person, Shalon, is going to be upgraded for free to the diamond level because she came in with this promotion. All these people came in for the promotion and they get a free upgrade. Okay? Wow, these are nice and crispy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200. And that's the other. Okay? So that's another 300, guys. Another sapphire. Okay? So she's automatically upgraded to diamond. Okay? Hang on. Let me get her out the way. Okay? And then there's my stamps. So this is how I'm able to mail 2 more books of stamps and $300. That's my commission and my stamps. Welcome aboard, Shalon. Again, you'll get an email from me, and your leads will be going out this week. The last one is Trish. Trish is from New York. Okay, see right here? Trish from New York. All right, welcome aboard, Trish. And guys, don't forget, for all my new members, don't forget to check your email. You're going to receive an email from Impact Mailing Club. Okay, they're going to send you your welcome email first with your letter in it, and then they're going to physically mail you a package. Okay? Not the ruby level, but they're going to mail the sapphire levels a package. Okay? So you need to check your email, check your spam, and check your junk folder for email from Impact Mailing Club, and then you're going to get an email from me separately. Okay? Just welcoming you to my team. 2 books of stamps, guys. Okay. Trish. Let me fold this down. Oops. Dropping everything. Trish also came in at sapphire. She's upgraded to diamond automatically. Now she's going to start receiving these $1,000 commissions if someone purchases that diamond package. But at least she's positioned. That's the key. Get positioned so when and if someone comes in and they purchase the packages, you'll get that commission. Otherwise, it'll pass up. Okay? So, another sapphire. Welcome, Trish. Again, you'll receive an email from me. And Trish sent me a check here. Okay? Let me just cover up the information. Okay? That works too. $300. Right here. $300. Can you see that? Okay. So, guys, get started with this program. Impact Mailing is on fire. Impact Mailing Club. Join the club. Do you realize it's 50 states plus Canada, okay, Hawaii, all these states in the U.S., people are out here looking and interested in making money from home, okay? All you got to do is mail your letters. Okay, you can do social media if you want. You don't have to. It's not required, but you can. But mail the letter. You get a cover letter with it, but I'm going to send you a custom one so that you can put your picture on it, okay, and your phone number so people can just see that you're a real person, okay? This does work. It's the simplest thing on the planet that you can do to make money from home. Drop a letter in the mail, okay? So, with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you. I've showed you the proof, okay? People are joining this, okay? Because it's a great way to earn some extra income, to supplement your income, or replace your full-time income. It's up to you, okay? So thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget, you can jump in on the second phase of this. It's been extended to the 15th now, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you have any questions about the program, feel free to give me a call. I am accessible. I return my calls. If you call me, leave me a message. I'll call you back or I'll text you back. Whatever way you want to communicate works for me. Okay? And look forward to working with you guys. And for all my new members again, welcome to Impact Mailing Club. Welcome to the Mail Order Freedom Team. Okay? All right, guys. That's all I've got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.